me, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simone Chanel. I am loving this hair. It kind of resembles my own natural hair, which is why I love it. It is very versatile. Like, look at this texture. It resembles more like a 4B hairstyle, or 4B curls more than a 4C. And this hair is from blackhairspray.com. Y'all check out my description box, and if y'all want to know more about this wig, just keep on watching. Okay guys, as y'all can see, today I have a curly wig to review, y'all. And if y'all want to know more details about this hair, check the cards above. I do have a review on this hair, as well as how I got these big voluminous curls. But today I have the big beautiful hair lace front wig in the style 4C Coily. I also have it in the color S430. So I'm so excited to try this hair out today, y'all. I have natural hair, but I don't like wearing it out all the time because this weather is just too crazy for me, and I don't have time for that at all, okay? Because this is curly hair, I probably won't be using the heat on this hair. It's coily hair, so I don't need to straighten curly hair because I don't even straighten my hair, so yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go ahead and take this out the pack, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like before I put it on and the construction of the wig. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the pack. The hair does have super tight curls in it, which I absolutely love. This is pretty much close to what my hair texture looks like before it dries. The card for this hair states that it's natural texture and a natural style. It has ear-to-ear lace finish for a natural looking hairline. It has full volume, soft and lightweight, available in natural hair textures, is shed free, and perfect protective styling option. This card also tells you how to refresh the wig and tips and tricks on how to get the curls popping, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and switch wigs, and I will show y'all what this wig looks like on my head.
1, 2, 3. Just let your soul go. Just let it shine through.
It does fit really snug, y'all. So I probably won't be using the combs in the wig. It does have 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, and this is what the hair looks like on. And it's not that shiny, typical shiny synthetic look. It just is really super tight curls. Before I start styling, I do want to show y'all the hairline of the wig. It doesn't give you pretty much any parting space, which I probably won't even need, but the hairline of the wig does look really good. And I feel like with this wig, because it's a lace front, you can actually have the perimeter of your hairline out to make it look natural. I have my hair braided straight back, so I probably won't have any hair left out. I actually kind of like it. I'm pretty sure it'll look better once I comb out or stretch out these curls. So what I'm going to do is cut off the lace, and then I'm going to start styling the wig.
I like my girls just like I like my honey, sweet, little selfish. I like my women like I like my money, green, little jealous. Cause I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess, but I'm funny. Oh, my heartbreak bed with a stone cold neck, yeah, I'm chubby. All the pretty girls in the world, I'm in this space with you. Calling out the lines again to find my fire was fake with you. But it will stay with you, my greatest escapes with you. Escape
y'all, I absolutely love this wig. I've played around with the hair and I've done a few hairstyles. This is a great protective styling wig for all my natural girls, all my girls who aren't natural, or anybody who just wants to try a curly wig. I kind of did like a little diva cut where I had the short at the bottom and then spread out at the top. So this is what the hair looks like now compared to what it was when I got it out of the box. Y'all, I highly recommend this big, beautiful hair. There are other curly wigs just like this. I think there's one shorter than this, and there's some that are longer with looser curls. But again, this hair is from blackhairspray.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll check you guys out in the next video. Bye.